Hi, what is up, guys? This is Detroit Life 313, and as you can see, I got something sort of special. As you can see, this is my Asus, whatever you want to call it, because people have different names they like to call their stuff. This card right here is a Radeon 750 or 7750 basically. That's what I think. I haven't ran it, I just installed it. There's a good fan on it. In the effects, you guys don't have to install the stupid CD it comes with, because the drivers are going to be outdated. And as you can see here, I have no power supply. I'm getting a new power supply today, which I've been waiting a week in the mail. This is an Intel Pentium G3 420, and the clock speed right now stock is 3.2 with this regular Intel fan or CPU fan. Yeah, 4 gigs of RAM right there and 1 stick. I'm getting another 4 gigs of RAM today. And I sort of hurt myself right there. If it will focus. Hold on. Right there. It hurts a little bit, but not really. At first I thought it was just something on my hand, but yeah, I just cut myself basically. And yeah, this is the stock motherboard from Asus. So yeah, I will have a video sort of up when I get my new CPU. Not CPU. I mean, what's it called? My new PSU power supply unit and my 4 gigs of RAM, and I'll do an update video just like this. This is a good computer without what's it called? Without the stuff. Like without even graphics card. Yeah, and I'll do a video when I get it all my stuff installed in. Still has all my stuff that I had on it. Just need to install CPU or the PSU. Hook it up. This is my Logitech wireless mouse. And yeah, I use HDMI. Yeah. And there's a HDMI there, but yeah. Yeah, so thanks, like, subscribe, comment. Every like helps, and whoever watches it helps me. Thanks, and I'm out.